Hey friends, we are here to do the first cash stuffing of April. I'm excited. Let me know what has been going on. It is Thursday, but you'll see this tomorrow on Friday, so happy Friday. Woo! Let's see. Here's the cash for the cash stuffing. Let's see if we have any coinage to put in our little jar here, and we do. How are you guys? It's, like I said, Thursday. It's April 3rd. We are leaving for our cruise in 17 days, you guys. Oh my goodness. So exciting. I am hoping to have videos throughout for you guys so that it's like I'm not even gone, but we'll see. I do have a little bit of money stashed away from selling a couple more things on Marketplace. It's not a lot of money, but it's enough to do a video. So that's one. I do get paid. Let me see when I get paid because, okay, April. Oh, okay, I actually get paid before we go away, so I'll have a cash stuffing and a savings challenge video right before we leave, and yeah, hopefully some others as well. All right, let's see what we have here for rollover. This is anything that I did not spend in the last 2 weeks. So we have 20, 40, 5, 46, 7, 8, 9, 51. $51, not too bad. I'm going to put this right to the side. That is going to go for challenges, and let's see what we're doing today. This is the Bright Undated Budget Planner. This is available in my Etsy shop and on Amazon. Let's see. Look at April, you guys. It's so like pastel and kind of Eastery and super duper pretty. Okay. So as usual, we're doing $150 for the wallet. We're doing 2 sinking funds today. They are actually both in cash. So I do need to try to get some change. And then that's for challenges. All right, let's see. Okay, let's take care of the sinking funds first, because as I said, I do need change. I do have $2.80 here that I got out of the ATM. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. So $2.80. Actually 20, 40, 60, 80 of that goes to my mom. So let me put that right to the side. I do give her $80 a month. And then let's see, we're doing 20 for Beauty and 25 for Penelope. So let's do Beauty first. See if I have any change. I don't know. Nothing I can make change for 20s with in here. But we are still adding 20 in cash. So for Beauty, you guys know I said I want to get a haircut and a mani-pedi. I need to call and book at least the haircut today. I want to get that within the next week or so, just because, we're leaving in 17 days. And then when I go to the haircut appointment, I'll probably schedule the mani-pedi there. So I need to make it a point to call today. I need to make it a point to clean my desk off, and specifically my printer, because there's just so much stuff piled on there, and there's stuff I need to do that today. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 105. So 105 here in Beauty. That's definitely enough for the haircut, and like I said, I do have a gift card as well that should cover most of the haircut. And then the remainder can be for the mani-pedi. But like I said, I do typically take that out of the vacation fund usually, because I consider it a part of the vacation. It's like my pre-vacation ritual, sort of. And I don't at all get my nails done or pedis any other time of the year. So I'm okay with, taking some vacation money out. Okay, and then Penelope needs 25. This is the vacation money though, so I do want to make some change. 10, I'm going to take a 20, and then 10, 15, and 20. That should be enough, I believe. Okay, so let me put this back in here. I can't believe it's almost time to leave, you guys. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. And very, very exciting. Okay, so that's all for this binder. And then we're going to put 25 to Penelope. So I finally took her to the vet. She had her annual visit. Everything went well, except, well, not except, but like, okay, she has the absolute worst breath that you ever smelled in your life. It's disgusting. And they did say it's normal for a Pom. She's a Pomeranian. She is a little bit older. She will be 10 this October. They said it's normal, and so they suggested a dental, like, cleaning and exam and everything. They said they potentially might need to pull some teeth. But when they gave me the estimate for that, you guys, I literally almost fell out of the chair. They said $1,200 to $1,800. And I'm sorry, I just don't, I don't want to spend that to have a dental cleaning for my dog. I mean, maybe that makes me a terrible person, but that is just a heck of a lot of money. Okay, 25 to Penelope, 20 and 5. So, I completely cleared out this envelope, but, okay, so here's what happened. I had her exam. Her exam with everything was just under $150. I actually have it right here. Let's see. It was $146.48. So here, the exam was $58. Her Bordetella vaccination was $24. A Lyme test was $58 because they pulled the tick off her. And medical waste disposal, $3. So the total was $146.48. And they did say to go back in 4 to 6 weeks to get her tested again for Lyme. So that's something I'll have to do, another $58 or more. But so I had $322 in here. I spent the $147, and then I actually ordered her medication, her flea and tick and heartworm on Chewy. And for a 6-month supply of Simparica Trio, it was like $190, I think, which I didn't actually have enough in here. I had $175. But I actually forgot I had a coupon for 20% off, which brought it down to $142, I think it was. So I had just enough with $33 left over. So 33 plus, what did I add here? 25? Did I add it? See, now I'm talking and I don't know. Yeah, I did. So we are working on building this right back up again. She does have a bath coming up before we leave. I'm not exactly sure when it is, but I do know it's before we leave, so it's sometime within the next 17 days. And that's, I think, $60. So 60 or 55 plus a tip. So I don't have enough in here right now. I mean, I'm close. I may need to pull some money out of spending for that or whatever, but that's the situation on her. So 20, 40, 5, 50, 5, 56, 57, and $58 in here. So we are going to need to work pretty hard to try to build this back up again. Because yeah, that's empty. She has that bath. And like I said, they do want her to be tested for Lyme again. That's going to be probably 60 some bucks after fees and whatever. So we need money for that. Okay. Let's see. The rest should be $150. Why do I have a 5? Oh, okay. So 5 is going towards challenges. This is just because I can only take 20s out of the ATM. So the total cash I needed was $175. I had to take $180, and so 5 is going to go towards savings challenges. That's fine. And then this should now be the $150 for the wallet. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. Perfect. I don't use cash envelopes. I just put the cash right in my wallet because cash envelopes are kind of pointless for me. I just spend whatever money I have, and when it's done, it's done. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the savings challenge video. Have a great weekend. Bye.